always wanted to do something related to agriculture. I wanted to be a lobbyist at some point. Then when I was in law school, I did do like immigration, law clinics, and
Mhm.
was doing like refugee stuff and T visas and U visas and that sort of a thing. But I was also starting to become interested in international law. Um, and so went out and practiced in the Northern Mariana Islands, and then came back and was a federal district court law clerk um, for many years. But I was like the immigration specialist in the court. So I did a whole bunch of civil litigation, but on behalf of the court for all of the judges, district judges, and magistrate judges in the district for several years. And then I joined the U.S. Attorney's Office as a criminal immigration prosecutor. So I was prosecuting illegal entries for many years under the Obama administration. Um,
So, is that
and then it
like,
wasn't
with the
until I
immigration court or U.S. attorneys, like in federal
no,
court?
no, with the federal United States federal court. That's
Oh,
right.
you would prosecute illegal entry on in federal court?
Illegal reentry in federal court. But it wasn't so in that case, we had very strict guidelines and I had prosecutorial discretion. So we weren't just picking people up and then putting them in prison because they were, the guys who were with their head down working hard
Yeah.
and happened to be illegally present, they were not coming on our radar. We had very strict guidelines for the people that we would use our discretion to prosecute during those years,
Mhm.
and so it was only re-entries, and it was like, okay, they had to have this past criminal history. The past criminal history had to be an aggravated felony, and we were specifically looking at, felonies related to like uh crimes of violence, domestic violence, drug trafficking, like but big drug trafficking, not like
Yeah.
simple. And then they had, previously been prosecuted, done their time, been deported, and now they were back, and the only reason we knew they were back because they were in jail again, because now
Yeah.
they were accused of another crime. And so I was the immigration prosecutor, let's say, but I wasn't prosecuting immigrants. I was prosecuting criminals. And that was kind of a different situation than what I'm doing.